Hey guys, here's this snapper lawnmower that I've had buried in the garage for about 2 or 3 years now, and guess who's here. So anyway, I've been having some trouble with my regular mower. It's running okay, but the deck has got some issues going on with it. So I thought, since I'm on vacation this week, I would attempt to get this mower running. I think the engine's okay on it, but I'll tell you what's been going on, why it's apart. It didn't have any spark when I first tried to start it after I changed the oil and cleaned the carburetor and everything. And like I said, this is about 3 years ago. And determined that it's got electronic ignition, as you can see there. This is a Tecumseh engine. There's the cover to it over here. It's a, I don't know if it has any kind of ID on it. The whole mower and everything's about an 80 model, 81. So it didn't have any spark. So I took off this flywheel, and you can see there's 2 magnets on it, which are where they're supposed to be now. And disregard the rust in here. It's kind of had some water in it. I've got to clean it up. But these magnets were just loose. They were just like kind of stuck to it down in here somewhere. So I JB welded them back on where they're supposed to be, and then kind of just forgot about it. So I did repaint the whole mower. It doesn't look like it now, but I did at that time and all that. So it needs a lot of cleaning up, and I'm going to put it back together, and we'll see if it's going to run and go from there. My grandfather had one of these mowers, and I don't have a clue in the world how to use one of them. I'm sure I'll figure it out. This looks like the let's see, it's got, you can see this looks like the gear shift, I guess. It's got park, neutral, and it's got roll. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward, and then back here it's got reverse, and then the deck, I guess, is over here. I guess this is this lever here that you see on the side here, and clutch and brake over here. Auxiliary brake, I guess, is the one that's on the right there. So yeah, I'll get to this, and we'll see if we can get this old beast to run. Okay, short time later, got the flywheel and shroud and all that back on it, starter, and put the plug back in. I put a new fuel line on it, and I checked, and it is getting spark now. It's got an on-off switch up here, so with it off it didn't get spark. With it turned on it does, so that's good. It's got a couple wires here that I didn't quite understand at first. You got one right here, and then there's one coming out here, and then it quickly occurred to me, I saw down here this thing has a, well, it's kind of stuck now, but used to have a, well, I guess you can say it still does, has a kill switch, I guess, at one point, but that's not hooked up anymore, so I'm not going to worry about that. This mower does have a belt on it, but it doesn't look good. So anyway, if this thing runs, it'll be the first time I've ever heard it run. So based on as old and as oily and everything as it is, you know, I don't know what it's going to do. So let's find out. Of course, we got Helper Kitty with us. Get the camera up here on a tripod. Oops. Okay. All right. You ready, kitty cat? Okay, try again. Look at that. Cat's up in the tree again. Well, what are you gonna do now? You're out of limb. Oh, you're looking to go higher? What are you doing up there? Yeah, Joe Cool. You think you're cool, don't you? Well, I ain't getting you down. I'm scared of heights. I'm not getting up there. Yeah? Well, the eyes of the world are upon you now, Cat. Let's see if you can pull this off. No, stupid. Don't jump off there. Go back down the way you came. Come on. Yeah, come on. No, no, no. Don't jump on me. I'm not going to catch you. Yeah, you keep rubbing your face in there like everything's okay, don't you? Like you planned this. Yeah, you planned it, didn't you? Sure. Come on. Cats are supposed to be so agile. Come on. Let's show everybody how you can get down out of the tree now. Yeah, that's graceful. Well, you did do it. Okay. Yeah. Good boy. You did. You didn't bust your ass. That's good. Back to this thing now. Okay. Double check the spark. I am getting spark, just not getting any gas. So I kind of made sure that it was getting gas into the carburetor. So I held the fuel line up a little bit. It's got one of these. It's got one of these gas tanks. It's got the cap on it. It's got the little air valve on it. So you got to be sure that's open. Try it again. This choke has not got the linkage on it for some reason. Oops, got something. That'd be smart. Get over there. Doing a thing, isn't it? Uh-oh.
smell gas. Let's do this. Oh, like that. Oh, shit. Well, you gonna help me? Give you a yank in your tail, kitty. Yeah, get right over by the exhaust pipe. I think this carburetor's got a plug in it somewhere. All right, I got it choked and it won't try to run off the gasoline, obviously. So we'll try some more there. No, shoot! I got to get in the carburetor and see what's up with that.